The past, the present, and the future have been talked a lot about recently, and it's not too hard to guess why. It's a common 2 a.m. thought that I wish I could just erase all the mistakes that I've done in the past, or at least erase the consequences that I'm facing in the present due to those past mistakes. But is it actually possible, guys? Is it possible to erase all the consequences we are facing in the present and eventually have a better future? Look, Nitish, I understand all of this. Can we just cut the crap and come to the point where you are useful? Coming to that, first, imagine you have fallen into a ditch or a big pit hole. See what all resources you have that can help you pull yourself out of this. Secondly, and the most important, is build a vision.
What the heck is that supposed to mean?
It means look beyond what you see.
See where you want to take yourself from here. Once you build a vision, the suffering in the present seems very less painful. Why, you ask? Because now you know that you are no more clueless. You have a way out of it because you have a path to follow. No, I have done so many stupid things in the past, and you say that this single step can change my future. Leave about the future. Can it even heal my present? Take it like this way. Every step that you take is a ripple on the water. You know the small drops that fall on the water? Yeah. Ripple after ripple can create a wave, and wave after wave changes the entire tide, and in this case, your future. Until then, I guess I just need to keep going and keep growing. What say?